Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic, especially for the women of all classes. So, in this video, I will discuss basically the property right of a woman. Interestingly, after marriage, a woman normally moves to her husband's home. This is the culture of our society, which is, of course, a strange place where she meets with strange people. In such a case, who is like what and who will behave or misbehave? She has really no idea of this. In such a case, she must know her legal rights so that she can protect her interest in a strange place as well. So, in this video, I will discuss certain rights over which a woman has exclusive rights. So, let's begin with the first one, that is right to Stridhan, the property that a woman receives as gift before or after marriage along with any such other property is known as Stridhan. A wife has exclusive and absolute right on such property. So, not exactly after or before the marriage, rather, if a girl has something and after marriage she has the right to carry that to her in-laws house or husband's house. And secondly, you might be thinking the type of property. What are the type of property that she can own? She can own any such property which is either gifted or transferred to her name by any means. It may be movable property or immovable property. So there is as such no distinction. The point that you need to know is whatever the things that belongs to her by her name, that is hers. And the way she wants, she can use that. You won't believe in her lifetime, no one has the right to interfere in that property without her will. Next one is right to residence. A wife has absolute right to reside in her matrimonial house where her husband resides. No one can kick her out on any ground. So remember this point. So if your in-laws, husband or sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws torment you, admonish you and ask you to leave that house, you can complain regarding the same because you have the absolute right to reside in that house. So no more victimization. Just claim your right with confidence. Next one, that is right to have committed relationship. It means after marriage, husband is bound to remain liable to his wife. He is not allowed to remarry until he legally divorces his wife, or even not allowed to have extramarital love affairs. He has to be committed with his wife. Next, right to have maintenance by husband. It means in case of desertion, judicial separation or divorce, a wife has absolute right to demand maintenance from her husband. That is section 18 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. However, in certain cases, a wife has no right to demand maintenance, such as if she is earning, then she cannot demand maintenance. Next, right to have child maintenance. Usually, husband and wife must maintain the expenses of their minor child. However, if wife is incapable of earning, then the husband must maintain the expenses of a minor child. Next, right to live with dignity and self-respect. It means a wife has the right to live her life with dignity and also to live free from any mental or physical torture. Besides, she has also the right to have the same lifestyle as that of her husband and in laws. So, if you are being tortured or victimized because of the cruelty, whether it is physical or mental, you have the right to claim your right in your in laws or husband's house. So, no more victimization. Next, right to be co-partner. It means after the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, now a married daughter also has the right to be co-partner and as a result of this has the equal right in ancestral property. So now even a married woman can claim in her parents' property as she has the equal right as of her brothers or brother. Last but not the least, that is right to property in husband's share. In case if husband dies, then his wife has absolute right to get the same percentage of share in family's property as if her husband would have been received if alive. So, this is all about the property right of a woman. Know your right, enjoy your life. Wish you very good luck.